What is BMI? BMI stands for Body Mass Index. BMI indicates how healthy or how obese you are. So the BMI is defined as body weight divided by square of the body height and is expressed in units of kg per meter square. Here how we can calculate the BMI. So we can take your weight, so via scale we can calculate what is the total weight and what is the height. So you need to measure your height here, whether in feet or in centimeter or in meters. But anyway, you need to convert into meters later. For example, assume that you are 5.5 feet. Then if you convert it, you get 168 centimeter. That is 1.68 meters. So if your weight is around 50 kg, then you have to divide by 165 or 68 into 1.68. Then you will get the BMI value. So if it's 60 kg or 70, 80, so you will get the corresponding values. So based on that values, we can know that what is your BMI. Based on the BMI, we can check how obese or how healthy you are. So if the value is in the range of 8.5 and 24.9, then you are a normal person. So your BMI is good. But if your BMI is 25 to 29.9, then you are a overweight. So you need to reduce your weight to become a normal. So if your BMI is 30 to 39.9, then you are obese. So overweight to obese. So if your BMI is greater than 40, you are morbidly obese. That means you are more obese. So therefore it is very dangerous, indicating red. So therefore you need to bring to this obese to overweight to normal. Now check it out how obese you are. So you are a healthy person or an obese person, that you can check it out by using the BMI values. Know your BMI. How do you calculate the BMI? So now to calculate the BMI, use the calculator. So here you can have a calculator. So check out what is your height. As we discussed already, 5.5 is a feet, and if you convert into 168 centimeter, so therefore 1.68 meter, that you to square, okay, multiply twice, and you need to divide by 1 by x, that is meter square. So 1 by meter square. So now you will get 0.354. So if you are at 5.5 feet or 168 centimeter, then the value will be 0.354. Now assume that your weight is 50. You have 50 kgs. Then you will get the value of 17.7. 17.7. Now if you compare your BMI, so you are underweight. So if you are underweight, you need to have more food or more protein to gain weight, and then you can come to normal. Now let's calculate for 60 kgs. So 60 kgs. So you can see that 22.03. So 22.03 will come on the normal range. So that's how you need to calculate what is your total height, that is in meters and then meter square, and weight divided by meter square. So you will get your BMI value. So therefore, if the value is 18.5 to 24.5, then you are a normal person. So if your value getting 25 to 30, you are overweight. You need to reduce your weight. If it's 35 to 39.5, it is severe obesity, and if it's 40 to 44.5, is a morbid obesity, that means more obese, right? So if it's greater than 45 to 50 or anything above that, it's a super obesity, it's very dangerous. Therefore you need to reduce your weight. That's what the total logic. Therefore if you are in the healthy range, that is 18.5 to 24.5 is very important. So here is the range. So this is 1.6 meter, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, 2 meters. If it is 2 meters, so even if you are around 100 kgs, you will do the job. So you are in healthy range. But ideally is 80 kg. But if you are 1.6, so therefore you are supposed to be 40 to 60 to 65 kgs. Likewise, this is the healthy range. The rest of them, you can see if you are in this range, then it's very dangerous. So therefore you need to reduce the weight. So please subscribe to our channel. So we'll bring more videos. Thank you.